Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this crypto arbitrage platform called PayPlan24. Okay, this platform you can make money through crypto arbitrage by choosing a particular plan, a plan that suits you, and you come in with that amount of money and you begin to make money on this website. Now I'm going to be showing you all that in a jiffy, but first and foremost let me show you how you're going to be registering on this website. You can see the sign up here, so just put in your name, your email, your phone number, and every other information here. Okay, and you're going to click on sign up. Now I'm going to be dropping the link to this website PayPlan24 in the description of the video. Just the first link will bring you here and you'll be able to sign up. Okay, let me quickly log in and show you how this website actually works. Okay, so let me log in quickly. Okay, here on my website, on my own account, before I actually decided to make this video, I decided to try the withdrawal from this website to be sure that the withdrawal is actually going through, because some of these websites is not you depositing that is the issue, but when it comes to withdrawal, sometimes the withdrawal will not go through. So I decided to make a withdrawal on the website. So as you can see here, you can see total withdrawal. I made this withdrawal here, and if I also come up here, if I click here, you're going to be seeing my withdrawal. Now let me go to statistics here. Okay, so if I click on this withdrawal up here, okay, you can see I need withdrawal here. So as at the time of making this video, the website is actually paying, and let me quickly show you the plan that they actually have. Okay, so if you come down to this middle icon here, you click on this middle icon here, it's going to bring you here. It's going to show you some information that you actually need about the website here. Okay, so you're going to see 60,192 total trading volume on the website presently as it is. You can see 306 plus total registered users. Okay, you can see 52 total transactions events, 237 plus total users online today. Okay, so all these informations you're going to find them here. Okay, but quickly let me also show you the investment package that they have. So you're going to come down here, click on this middle icon here. You'll be able to see the different plans that they have. Okay, so you can see they have the sports, they have margin, and they also have AI tokens. Okay, so these different packages actually shows you the amount you can deposit into these packages and how much you can earn on a daily basis on those packages. Okay, so let's start with this sports. This sports here, let's see. Okay, now on this spot, the minimum you can actually deposit into this particular package is 100 USD. Now I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be recharging, how you're going to be depositing money into your account, but quickly let me show you the different packages that they have and how much you can earn on them. So on this one, the minimum is 100 USD. Okay, I can earn 1.2% every day. Okay, so that is for the sports. Now let's also look at the second one. Now the second one we're going to be looking at is the margin. So the margin, let's click on this margin up here. Okay, then let's click on trade here. So you can see that the margin, the minimum you can come in with this into this margin is 5,000 USD. Okay, which is USDT, and you can earn 2.4% every day on this particular one. Okay, then let's check the last one. They actually have 3 packages on this website. So the last one is the AI token. Okay, so you click on this AI token, and then we're going to click on trade. This one is very huge. The minimum you can come in with this one is 10,000 USDT, and you can earn 3.6% on this particular one. Okay, the one that is more affordable to a lot of people that I believe is going to be the sports. Okay, this one is 100 USDT. Okay, I earn 1.2%. Okay, now let's quickly look at how you can actually recharge your plan here. Okay, so you're just going to click on these 3 dots here. Okay, these 3 dots at the top. After you must have registered, you click on these dots here. Okay, then you're going to see this recharge here. Okay, click on this recharge. When you click on that recharge, it's going to give you your USDT wallet here, wallet address here. Okay, make sure you'll be sending USDT TRC20. Okay, so you're going to copy this address. Okay, you go to your exchange. It could be MetaMask, it could be Binance, KuCoin, OKS, any of the transaction platform you want to be using. Then you're going to be sending your funds to this wallet address. Now, if you send these funds to this wallet address, it's going to reflect on your account up here. Okay, it's going to reflect on your account up here, right? And also, whenever you make profits and you want to withdraw, you can actually make your withdrawal at any time without any kind of restriction. So all you just need to do is you're going to click these three dots up here also again. Okay, then you click on this withdraw. Okay, make sure you bind your USDT wallet here. Okay, then you're going to put in the amount that you want to withdraw here. I'm going to put in your code here. I'm going to click on submit and your transaction will go through. From my experience, the transaction actually took about less than 5 minutes, and I got the funds in my account. Okay, so that's how to trade on this particular platform. Now you might want to ask, how do they make their money? I checked up here, okay, and went to the FAQ, and I discovered that they said they actually trade crypto. That the fund they actually get from people, they use it to trade crypto. So if you check this one here, you click here, okay, you can just read through here. Now if you want some information, or probably there are some questions bothering your mind that I did not answer in this video, you can just come to the FAQ here and you can get answers to all those informations. Okay, and also you can decide to join their Telegram channel, right? You click up here, you come down here, you click on this Telegram. Okay, so this is their Telegram channel. So you just join their Telegram, right? So you can get information that you need about the project here. Okay, so that's all I'll be showing you about this project. Remember, the link to PayPlan24 is in the description of the video. Go ahead and click on that link and you'll be able to access PayPlan. Okay, please go ahead and like the video and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done that before now. I really appreciate you for taking your time to watch the video. You take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.